in this video clip, we want to see the applications of logarithm functions. The first example is about earthquake. We know the Richard scale converts seismographic readings into numbers of measuring the magnitude of the earthquake according to the function, which is a logarithm function. The upstairs x is the reading. This number is the reading. Let me erase that. Is the reading from a machine. So I may write reading. Reading number. And here x sub 0 is given, which is 10 to the negative 3. We want to find out the magnitude of the earthquake if the reading is 0.94 millimeters. What is the seismographic reading? And here we may take a look. You see, this is like the machine, and this will be when there is no earthquake, the line will be flat. You can see the animation here. So no earthquake, the line is flat. You can see here. Okay, comes earthquake, and then it shakes. Then hit this machine like upside down, then this pen mark the amplitude, and then you may measure this magnitude. That will be the reading for the value you get for x here. See one more time. No earthquake, and then earthquake is coming, see here, and hit that, and it shakes twice. Okay, the pen then marks the reading, the amplitude. Okay, so then here what we get is 0.94 millimeters. We plug in, we should be able to find out this magnitude. Okay, so what is magnitude when x is this much? The algorithm for your calculator to find this is m of 0.94. That's the one you want to find. Okay, from here you have the algorithm, or you have the grammar on your calculator, which will be plug, you input that, parentheses, and 0.94 divided by 10 to the negative 3, and then close bracket. You'll get the value here. I have a calculator right here. Let me get this calculator in. So 0.94 log. So you want to do is you hit log and then 0.94 and divided by 10 to the, you want to use this one, negative, not use this one, negative, and then 3, and then move this cursor to the right. and then close bracket. You hit the enter, you have the answer, which is approximately magnitude 3 earthquake. It's 2.97 something, 2.97. So you may then put here is 2.97, which will be the magnitude of the earthquake. Okay? So when you hear the news report about the magnitude of the earthquake, you know it comes from here. This reading number divided by the constant 10 to the negative 3. Choose the logarithm. That will be the magnitude. They find out in this way. Alright. Now, that's the first application. Now, let's look at the second application. The second application is in medicine. And here, let me get the color. I want to use red. Okay. Well, red color for us. The question is, we have a formula right here. It is red. Do one more time. Formula here, red. Okay. D equals 8 to the 8 times e to the negative 0.04 times h. H is the h hours. Okay. Can be used to find the number of milligrams D. That's the amount of medicine of certain drugs in patient's bloodstream. So this D is the amount of certain medicine or drugs in patient's bloodstream. H hours after the drug has been given or injected into the human body. When the number of milligrams reaches 4, so when this number is 4 here, for D, we want to find the drug is to be given again. Okay, so previously initial value is 4, and then it goes down because here is negative exponent. That's decay. Okay, means the medicine gets smaller and smaller in the bloodstream. Okay, and then once it reaches 4 after a certain time, h hours, then the medicine needs to be injected. So we want to find is what is the time between injections. Initially you have a 8, then after a certain amount of time you reach the bloodstream amount, the medicine amount in the bloodstream reaches 4. You want to find out how long does it take for this h. Okay, you want to find out time. So here is the solution. And here, you are given 4 is 8 times e to the negative 0.04 times h. That's what you are given. So let me write more space for equals that. Now the common technique right here is we divide 8 on both sides. Strategy is to isolate h. Then you will find out h if h stands alone. Okay, so what you get here, 4 divided by 8 is 0.5. And then right hand side is e to the negative 0.04 times h. You then choose the logarithm on both sides. You will bring this number down to the front. So this side will be negative 0.04 times h, and then times natural log e. Let me write natural log 0.5 on the right hand side. On the right hand side. Okay. So we know natural log e again is log base e to the e. Once those two values are equal, as we said before, is 1. So then what you get here, this is number 1. 1 times 0.04h is just negative 0.04h, which is natural log 0.5. And then you do the division. Both sides divided by negative 0.04, negative 0.04. You should isolate h because this part is going to be 1. So on your calculator, you should have a h equals natural log. You should have the parentheses divided by negative 0.04. Then you will have the time equals. Let me practice the value here. You want to do is the natural log. Okay, natural log what? Natural log 0.5. Okay, so here you will do 0.5, close bracket, close bracket. You want to hit on this bracket. Let me do it one more time. Clear the screen. So you will do natural log 0.5, close bracket, divided by, you may use a bracket. Negative sign is the one here, not subtraction. Negative. Okay. And then what's the value? Negative 0.04 right here. So you may plug in negative 0.04, close bracket, and then you may hit the enter here. Okay, so you get is 17.328 something. So if you round it up to the second digit, that will be 17.33 hours. Okay, 17 point. So you may then write your answer here. 17.33 hours. Okay, let me write it one more time. That's hours. Okay, That's the two applications. Okay, I'll see you next time.